Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can see the Quieter.io is an up condition. That means it was you can now log in and mine. Also you can withdraw from the account. That means the website. It was down from last 3 to 4 days when RiseX was down. Clearly, in general, Quieter.io is generally known as a brother of RiseX. But their support team was mentioned that on 24th we will back with the same their response. The Quieter.io dot now back and you can mine and withdraw your account the balances, and you can also deposit. Here is the interface. You can see if you don't have a Quieter.io, I will give the link in description. Go and create your account. Krishna, I am not recommend here to deposit of any amount. If you want deposit, do it in your own risk. When compared to RiseX, the profit ratio was a little low. RiseX was providing 3% active plan, and here you can see it 2% of active plans. Here you can run Binance, Tron, Lite, and Ship coins. Here you can see the deposit way. You can also deposit here. Based on the depositation, you will be provided with the gas hours to run. Here from a free login, you will get 180 gas hours. I have run from yesterday. I am get 0.5 Tron now. The withdrawal amount here for Tron is 45. You can deposit to pay. You can deposit any amount of TRX, SHIB, and Binance coin. According to that, you will get plan and profit ratio and powers. The same thing, the planning is same. All can be executed with respect to Binance. Sorry, sorry. It's all with respect to RiseX. If you want, you can invest here. The link will be provided in description. It's the first update with respect to Quieter.io. And the second one which I am providing the mining website is a Tron mining website. Here is the Tron mining website. The link will be description, in the provided link in description. Go and click on the link. You will get this type of interface. Now go with the registration. Enter the username, email, password, and confirm password. Click on I am not robot. Then register here. For the registration, you will get $3 of an free mining. Here I will click on my existing account. Here it is the account. For the yes, this was the link I have already shown you. You can log in here for a free. You can mine up to $3 worth. I prefer here for a Tron mining. The minimum withdrawal is 100 TRX. It already accumulated 12 TRX. Just if you don't want to invest here, just run the Tron. That's it. Run the website. When it is login, it don't want to visit you again and again for this website. If you want to deposit, you can go with a script. In a script, you can mine a Lite, Slater, Doge, and Zcash. And in a Ethereum way, you can mine Ethereum and Ripple one. If you want, do your own research before investing, guys. Crypto is investing with the risk. Yeah, for adding the depositation, go with the balance deposit way. You can deposit any number of these coins. They will provide an address, and you need to be deposited. Here it is the thing. You can do depositation. I strictly prefer not to deposit here because I don't know. I have not at the present. I have not to deposit anything here. For withdrawal, you need to click on withdraw. For a Tron, you need to be a minimum of 100 TRX. When it is 100, you need to be enter here 100. Then the wallet and withdraw. It will be a safe one. It will be withdrawn within a minute. This type of interface here. If you want, you can mine it for free, or else if you wish, you can invest here. That's it, guys. I have provided 2 mining apps here, mining websites. If you like this video, please like. If you have any queries, comment in a comment section. I will try to solve your queries, or I try to answer your queries. If you like this type of videos for a free mining websites, do subscribe for my YouTube channel. I will come back every day and provide you a mining websites. Thank you everyone.